today we've got Dave's heater built here real quick, just for a couple things I'll talk about in a little bit, but check it out as it rolls out. It's a wild truck. All right, see you, Dave. Well, that was kind of fun. So Dave's truck, we're doing the Corvette for Dave as well. We're doing Dave's 66 Corvette, the red one, the super custom one. Derek is going to machine some covers for the tanks on the fuel tanks. So we've done a set already for another one of his trucks. So today he wanted us to do some for this truck. So we actually had Ross from J-Rod and Custom come out and 3D scan them because we found slight variations in all the tanks. So we wanted them to fit really nice. So he literally 3D scanned each one. It was sunny out, so he was actually fighting the scan. Didn't like the sun and all the polished surfaces, so we stood there and like held a blanket up, but it worked out good. So I'm excited to see how well that works and to continue to use more scans in the future. Welcome back to the channel. Today is shop update number 8. We got kind of a variety of different stuff going. Really been focused on the Charger, but I can't show you that, so I'll show you what else has been going on. This is a Camaro. It's been here for a little while. It kind of got stuck here, honestly, because we were waiting for some parts. We had to get a new evaporator for the air conditioning, and it just took forever. And it's an original one that's been converted to 134 from our 12, so we just kind of had to work around that a little bit. But this is a really nice, clean car. It's a new customer to us. He's been great to deal with, and it's been fun to kind of just do a couple of things to it, maintenance stuff mainly, but just kind of throw our twist at it, put our eyes on it, I should say, and make recommendations for what we see. But we haven't really had to do a lot. It's been pretty clean. Fun to see a big block Camaro. We Cerakoted the valve covers and just cleaned some things up, fixed the air conditioning, fixed the door panels, did some other little mechanical things. Yeah, this one's ready to go. We got the 36 Roadster. It's been waiting for a sandblast appointment, so that's actually going to sandblast tomorrow, which will be great. Keep that thing moving. I think we also secured the engine today. We're gonna do a 525 horse LS3 in this and get a bunch of the cool like vintage parts from Delmo Speed down in Arizona. It's actually like Y-block valve covers will go on it from a Ford, which would be really cool. So I look forward to showing that off when it comes in. You can't see this and you can't see that, so Tyler can put something on top of it. This is the Corvette. This has also been here for a little while, a project that kind of multiplied into more, turned into full paint. It was originally just a collision job. You can see that in a few videos back. I actually sent this one out. Josh, a local painter, did it at his house, has a little side business going there, and it worked out really well. We were so busy doing other things that it helped keep the project moving forward, and the customer was okay with us subbing it out. So that was beneficial for everybody. He did a really nice job on it. Look forward to getting it a little farther together, and hopefully they can enjoy it a little bit this summer, so that'll be great. The Chevelle project has been a little stagnant lately, which is okay. We finished up a T-Bird tranny job this week that was pretty involved, and that was his neighbor. So he was kind of like, stop working on my car and take care of my neighbor. So now his neighbor's taking care of it, so we'll see. We'll be getting back into this soon, but yeah, just a really fun car. And then the Charger, yeah, can't see anything with the Charger yet still, but we've been all hands on deck. So it's past paint now, I can say that for sure. And we're into the mechanical side. So it's reassembling all the stuff that's been wired already and plumbed already. And a lot of the things that have been custom built need to get coated. So it's been booth load after booth load of parts getting Cerakoted or painted. And basically as soon as they're dry, it's like we're lining them up so they can come out and go on the car. There was honestly 5 people working on that car today. It's cool to see how all that pre-planning can come together and actually effectively have that many people working on the car and how quickly it can get assembled and move towards getting upholstery done. Some of the upholstery's already been started. The seats are done, the dash is done. Tony Miller at Stitches is gonna be doing the upholstery. He's got templates for the door panel. Derek was working on armrest stuff today. So it's all about like being smart and planning it from here going forward to get it done within this tight timeline to a high quality and complexity. So it's been a challenge, but it's fun. I'm really excited to show it off at SEMA, HRIA booth this year. We've got some stuff kind of just chilling. The Cobra is here. He wanted to change the wheel color. So we actually just had him powder coated, put new tires on it. So nothing really, it's just sitting while we wait for the tires to get mounted now. Yeah, really, I mean, 5 people working on the Charger. That's everybody, other than other guys we've had come in and helping. So really, poor Corvette has just been sitting too. So we'll be back to that real soon. We did get the bumpers on, got those back from the chrome plater, and we got them back just in copper. So that's kind of what the platers use as, like we would use body filler to paint a car, to fill any imperfections, and they block sand that or file on it. So they did a few rounds of copper on these, got them pretty straight. And since we cut them up and sucked them into the body, we wanted to double check the fit.
Check the fit.
Because the copper really builds up on the edges. So this allows us to fine tune them before they plate them and kind of lock them in. So those are all mounted on the car. We'll probably leave them just like this for a little while so we can do some of the work around them, you know, do some exhaust things and just other fit stuff, and don't have to be as worried about dealing with chrome. It's a really good way to get through the build process. This is like all parts that just got Cerakoted today for the Charger. You can probably see all that. All of this is custom, but you're not gonna really quite know what it is yet. This is the 56. This has been here for a little while too. It kind of got hung up on parts. It's been a common theme lately, unfortunately. And sometimes that's the way it goes with these cars, but there's only so much we can do. We replaced the trunk pans in this and put a new core support in it. So he was having overheating issues. And it was I may have touched on this a while ago, but it was a radiator that somebody had custom made. So they put like an industrial core in it, and maybe it was done 30 years ago. And that was like the thinking that it was heavier duty basically, but it maybe wasn't, at least compared to what we can do now with radiators. That radiator was leaking. It wasn't cooling the engine effectively. So we looked at, do we repair this? We can't find one that fits like this. We'd have to have one custom made, et cetera, et cetera. So we decided just to replace the whole thing with this cold case, core support, radiator, electric fan combo, and it's worked really good. The only problem now is that the engine doesn't get up to 10. So not a problem, but it's good stuff. So happy to see that as a good solution to this project. So this car is actually going away tomorrow too. So get some of these people back on the road to enjoy the summer. And then the machine's been busy. We've been doing our Gen 3 coil covers and restocking all of our line clamps on our website, which has been great. If you've seen stuff out of stock, it is all back in stock. We'd also just got a big load back from anodizing with all of our new clamps as well. So the website's fully up and going. We've also got, let's see, Derek started a print that I'm supposed to check on before I leave. This is some prototype stuff for the Charger. So armrests, things we can do to check the fit.
Check the fit.
And then eventually machine. There you go, check the fit.
Check the fit.
You already said it once, I was happy.
I did?
We haven't used it in a while.
Been hanging around Derek too much. So yeah, it's pretty good. This has been giving us a little bit of trouble lately, just not printing consistently. So we had to start over a couple times, but it seems like we got it dialed in now. It's got like a sensor in there that detects when it runs out of the filament, and it didn't detect that it ran out of filament. So it was just like, just blindly just running and not doing anything. So. And then there's no way to know like where it started. So Derek just had to basically restart on that. But, oh well, that's what it is. That's kind of it back here. Oh, we had on a different note, we had a power surge here that wiped out our compressor. So we've been running this noisy old piston pumper. Fortunately, I had this thing at home, but it's been filling our lines up with water and just making a mess. But fortunately, it hasn't slowed us down. Oh, and the shop truck got a detail. Jason did a class. So he literally just took it home. And they did the whole class on the shop truck.
Oh, that's so funny.
Yeah. Thanks for watching this quick shop update this week. If you like it, like it. If you have a question, ask it, and keep following along for more updates and full builds, etc.
Check the fit.